For me, the accessibility at Loyola really speaks to our true value of openness to experience. It makes that experience open to everybody, no matter how you identify, no matter what culture, religion, faith, or background you are.
Mon premier jour à Loyola, c'était comme si je quittais chez moi pour entrer chez moi.
We're going to keep that wonderful culture at the school that we have, but we're going to make that available to more people. And I think that'll just give us a more complete picture of a preparatory school preparing our students for excellence.
Je dirais c'est un regard qui est ouvert sur les autres, mais qui est ouvert sur le monde aussi.
The purpose of Jesuit education is to form young people to be agents of change in the world.
Part of the program at Loyola, what we're trying to accomplish here that really resonates with me the most would be 3 words that begin with the letter C: care, concern, and compassion. And it's a two-way street. It's something we try to foster and instill in our students. But the best part is when you see them kind of imbibe that, kind of take that to heart, and they go off and show care and concern and compassion for others.
It's really important to know that Loyola is a welcoming community to all students, regardless of their background, regardless of their gender, regardless of their faith, regardless of their talents and gifts. We welcome all students and we help to form them in mind and body and spirit.
I believe that focusing on the whole person is crucial, especially at the high school level. Here we're creating citizens for the future. Most of how we operate as people is founded in our childhood experiences, and at high school that's such a transitional phase. It's so important to get that whole person formation and to graduate a student who's not only competent academically, but also competent as a citizen of the world.
For anyone that thinks Loyola is not for them, I challenge you to go and look at the pictures of the graduates, going back all the way to the pictures that are behind a 100-year glass, and you will see that there are faces that look like you, there are names that look like yours, they come from families that are like yours. And so, if you can find it, and you will, you'll realize that Loyola is a place for you.